thing with Hein came about where he had this challenge on Facebook where you had to send in voice clips of like rapping or singing or whatever.
Anything, yeah.
And he would like build a beat around it or like remix it or whatever. And I was on a night shift the one night working at an engineering company. And as a joke to him, because me and Hein have like, we're always making jokes and, just messing about or whatever. And I sent him the voice note. Dames, sê my wat jou naam is. My naam is Adrianus. And that's all, just that part. And he actually went like remixed it and posted it. And then people started voting for it on his Facebook. And and he eventually told me like, bro, we have to finish this song. And I was like, no, dude, like, it's just a joke. I was just playing around, and then eventually convinced me to finish the song. I wrote the verses like, and the rest of the song like one day before work, like in the car, like outside in the car, like finished writing it, went to record it and put it out. Even when the song was done, I didn't want to put it out. I was like in 2 months the whole time, and eventually we just put it out.